Hi there, this is Razna. In this video, I am going to present about information and technology trends for businesses. To introduce, this presentation will cover 5 digital trends that are more relevant to the pharmaceutical and healthcare industry. I will also apply these trends to businesses and discuss about benefits and risks. The diagrams will demonstrate the application of digital technologies to businesses. This is the agenda of the presentation. First, I will discuss 5 trends, and they are Internet of Things, preventative and personalized medicine, digital twins and simulations, integration of virtual reality into healthcare, artificial intelligence and computer vision, telemedicine and evolution of remote care, which is virtual healthcare. Then I will apply these trends to 4 types of businesses, which are large, medium, small, and individual. The first trend I am going to discuss is Internet of Things and how it can help build preventative and personalized medicine. Global data has forecasted that the Internet of Things industry will reach 1 trillion in revenue by 2024, which is huge. Pharmaceutical industry should keep a close eye on this, as this can disrupt the clinical stages of drug manufacturing and can optimize the end-to-end chain in the industry. More precision and personalized medicine will be produced, and organizations will move from a push model to a make-to-order model. Smart devices like organ-in-a-chip and chill-a-pill will help businesses run real-life diagnostic scenarios and capture health status. These are game-changing applications that can improve hit rate and R&D productivity. Healthcare providers in future will use data from wearable devices to prescribe personalized medicine. This trend will have to be supported by various devices, and data will be gathered and analyzed. In this diagram, I have shown the steps of how Internet of Things can be used for decision making. At the first step, data is collected through various forms. At the second step, analog data is converted to digital data. At the next step, data is processed and standardized. Finally, it is managed and analyzed for decision making. The next trend is digital twins and simulations. Digital twins in healthcare are becoming more and more popular. A digital twin is a computer-generated image of a person, usually in a format of an avatar. This image can be used to replace a patient in a clinical setting or help with research. The benefits of designing a digital twin in healthcare include the ability to improve patient care and research. Digital twins can also increase accuracy, reduce labor costs, and improve communication. For example, by creating an accurate replica of a person's brain, scientists can study diseases more accurately. As shown in the diagram, creating a digital twin begins with the mapping of a physical organ. A digital replica is created afterwards, and real-world data is added for personalized care. The next trend I'm going to talk about is integration of virtual reality into healthcare. Virtual reality has revolutionized the industry. Traditionally, VR is associated with gaming, but this technology has huge potential in the healthcare industry. Some applications of VR are improving surgical efficiency, increasing empathy by helping doctors simulate health conditions like dementia, Parkinson's disease, and migraine. VR can also be an effective tool for treating and diminishing pain. Virtual reality applications are even used during labor to help women reduce pain. VR headsets can be used by sick children to deal with treatment and anxiety. Virtual reality also can be used for therapies to motivate patients for physical treatment and practice real-life skills. Another use of VR include helping seniors improve memory and cognitive functions. Patients can use VR to address anxiety and trauma. Therefore, VR is a huge opportunity for mental health providers. I have explained this under the business calm. VR can help train doctors, and I have mentioned some of the VR software that are picking up in the market. Moving on, the next trend that I will cover is artificial intelligence and computer vision. Global AI in pharma sector has notable advancements, and it is projected to grow from $934 million in 2021 to $1,236 million in 2022. It has unimaginable potential which will revolutionize every aspect of the industry. AI can be used to improve manufacturing processes, quality checks, predictive maintenance, design optimization, create more affordable drugs and therapies, and reduce operational costs and waste. In addition to this, computer vision can be used to extract information from visual inputs to enhance packaging, drug traceability, quality assurance, and shipment tracking. The diagram demonstrates how computer vision is used in pharmaceutical industry. The final trend I'm going to discuss is telemedicine and the evolution of remote care, which is virtual healthcare. This trend has emerged because of the COVID-19 pandemic. The telehealth industry is expected to grow to $185.6 billion by 2026, which is huge. And hospitals and medical clinics should definitely invest more in this. More dedicated solutions are required, however, to facilitate telemedicine and to adhere to legal privacy requirements. In the future, machines will be responsible for tracking health and booking appointments and tests. With the rise of Metaverse, Web3, and remote healthcare kits, physical appointments may someday become a thing of the past. The location of the patient will also not matter to receive treatments. However, the hospitals needs to update infrastructure regularly, transform, and stay on top of digital healthcare trends. There are factors that impact the adoption of telemedicine and virtual software platforms, which are organizational, technological, and social. All these factors has to be considered when adopting telemedicine. Next, I am going to apply these trends to various types of businesses. The first business is GSK. GSK was previously known as GlaxoSmithKline, and it is a large pharmaceutical and biotechnology company. A large company such as GSK has to monitor industry trends and adopt new technologies, and it has the capability as well to do so. Internet of Things can be beneficial to GSK in many ways. It can help the company to produce accurate and personalized medicine, making it more customer-centric. Internet of Things can also help to run successful clinical trials. Data can be extensively analyzed for precision. Improved products will increase profitability of the company as well. However, there are risks that the company needs to consider. Most importantly, the vulnerability on privacy and security. Also, proper architecture is needed for scaling up, and devices always keep changing, making implementation very expensive. Another trend that is applicable to GSK is artificial intelligence and computer vision. At present, manufacturing plants rely on manual or semi-automatic quality inspection. Adopting this technology will ensure safety standards are met, improved in productivity, rapid production of life-saving drugs, and will result in higher efficiency. The risks will be cost of investment in systems, processes, and human resources. I have also mentioned some of the applications, which are inspection of quality of capsules using AI vision, bottle packaging, detecting and counting, visual inspection of blister packaging by automated systems, automated visual inspection of pharmaceutical tablets with imprints, pharmaceutical equipment cleaning, and shipment tracking. So moving on to the medium-sized business, which I have chosen is Johns Hopkins Hospital. The revenue for 2021 was 3.4 billion. The hospital is one of the best hospitals in the world. It is also a teaching and biomedical research facility. It also has a technology innovation center, and the hospital collaborates with healthcare providers and researchers to create digital healthcare solutions. We have chosen 3 trends that will help the hospital to grow. The first is integration of virtual reality into healthcare, second, telemedicine, and third, digital twins. Each trend has many benefits to the hospital. To summarize the benefits, adopting these technologies will help the hospital to provide accurate and personalized treatment, provide intensive training to doctors, will make it possible to treat patients regardless of their location, and reduce cost in the long run. And also the hospital will improve in efficiency, and finally will give the hospital's research center the opportunity to create better digital healthcare solutions in the future. However, there are some risks to the hospital, which are cost of implementation, resistance from patients, time and cost involved in training, and privacy concerns, as I have mentioned before. It is important that the hospital address these concerns before implementing these digital solutions or digital technologies. The small organization I have chosen is Calm, which is a software that focuses on mental health. In 2020, Calm had a 200 million revenue. This software provides mindful meditation and sleep stories. The company has grown over the past years. The trends that I have chosen and will benefit Calm are integration of virtual reality and Internet of Things. Virtual reality can help patients integrate into a completely new imaginative world. The company will be ahead of competition and develop many partnerships that will be beneficial in the long run. However, it can be costly and clients may not know how to use the devices and may not have the necessary software as well to fully benefit. Internet of Things can help detect moods and even save lives. It can provide timely and personalized treatments. Again, here the company needs to be mindful about privacy concerns and analyzing these data can be complex. The last type of business or service I have chosen is private practice doctors. These are individuals who run their own clinic. After the pandemic, the numbers have reduced mainly because of the financial burden and burnout. An average private practice doctor earns about 200,000 annually. The trends I have chosen are telemedicine and Internet of Things. Telemedicine will help doctors treat patients with low risk during a pandemic. There won't be location limitations and will be convenient for patients as well. However, not all patients will be comfortable with virtual care. Private practice doctors may not have the means to invest in software. Also, not all diseases can be treated virtually. Private doctors can benefit from Internet of Things as well by connecting to patients' devices. Doctors can provide more accurate and timely diagnosis. Again, it can be costly to implement this, and not all patients will have the necessary devices. Okay, so that wraps up the presentation. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you and have a wonderful day.